Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on caller ID on Viber. Let's say you want to be able to tell who's calling. So you want to receive call from those you're trying to avoid. So what you do is open up your Viber app and then click on the more icon at the bottom, and then you see the option for caller ID to know when anyone's calling, and then you turn it on. This will allow Viber to recognize caller names and show spam alerts for all calls. It's as simple as that. If you want to learn more, click on the learn more button. The option here take you to the site where you can learn more about the caller ID. So read through everything. This is it. You can see caller ID, how to turn caller ID on and off, where you can view history of calls recognized by Viber caller ID, benefits of displaying GSM calls in the Viber recent calls tab. So you learn about spam post call options, how you can disable post call screen, what name others see in your caller ID when you call them. So how you can edit the name detected by caller ID, how you can report a caller as a spam, everything. Read through all this. It's as simple as that. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more.